Today we are making delicious melon pepper soup. So guys, join me. Let's cook it together. So here is the pot we are using. Before we start, we have to boil the meat. We have to cook the meat first. So we have some cow meat here. Add some shaki. I already washed this, so I'm not going to use all the shaki. Here is the onions I'm using. Onions, ginger, and garlic, and pepper. So I want to blend them together, guys. So guys, I'm done blending it. Here is it. We pour it inside. So later we can rinse it with water. We go in with salt. So this is my pepper soup seasoning. Pepper soup seasoning. So if I'm using this one, I'm not using Maggi. So it's like Maggi. So make sure you get it. So if I'm using this one, I'm not using Maggi. So I will also go in with this one. So I don't want to blend it so that I can see it to remove it later. So if you know this thing, you know what I'm putting. And so turn it together. And cover it to cook for some minutes. Okay guys, let's add water to it. I turn on the gas. I turn off the gas, guys. So add a little water. So this is the water we are going to use. So cover it to boil before adding meat. The fish and meat. Okay guys, it's already boiled. Let's go in with the fish that we are using. Before then, let's turn it. So I lower down the heat of the gas. So we have tilapia fish. We also have scorpion fish. So I'm still going to remove the fish, guys. So my soup, I like to use fish well. So cover it to cook. Here is the crayfish I'm using. I will rinse it before blending it. I want to blend it together with the egusi. Here's the melon seeds, the egusi. I'm blending it now. Okay guys, you can see as our soup is cooking, I will lower down the heat of the gas before opening it. So I don't want the fish to be too scattered. That is why I'm removing it first. Okay guys, I'm done. Here is our main pepper soup spices that we are adding. Our local pepper soup spices. With start know this, you are not cooking pepper soup here. So you have to use this one to cook it. Turn it together. Turn it very well. So you cannot go in with your egusi. So here is the egusi. Let's give it some minutes. The soup is cooking very well, so I lower down the heat of the gas. So we cannot go in with the fish. This is what we call melon pepper soup. Let's test it if there is salt. This soup makes sense. Go in with a little bit of salt. Cover it to cook. Okay guys, our soup is almost ready. So let's go in with the bitter leaf. Here is the small bitter leaf that I have at home. My bitter leaf is already finished. So we use this little one we have. So turn it together. If you are cooking your egusi pepper soup, make sure you add a bitter leaf, either scent leaf. You can even mix it together so that you get that beautiful, sweet and delicious taste. So we have to leave it for like 2 minutes before bringing it down, guys. Guys, our soup is ready. So I know that the heat of the gas is ready to eat. So this is how you can cook your pepper soup egusi. So guys, like and share this video. You can use it to eat starch, use it to eat swallow. So very yummy and delicious, guys. Share this video.